Hello guys!
Hello everybody!
Yo, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yo, it's your boy Senior.
It's your girl V. It's Melody.
And yo, hold on, before we continue, please hit that like button,
subscribe, comment,
and share this beautiful content to your friends and your family. And yo guys, guess what are we having today? We are back at K-pop as usual, and today we are having the BTS out here.
Oh my god!
And we are going to watch two of their songs. The first song is Airplane Part 2.
Okay.
I mean, this is the Japanese version of it. And also the second video is Airplane Part 2. I mean, it's the comeback show. It's like a live performance, if I'm not mistaken.
So
I know, right? So we should just go straight forward to this video so we can see what the BTS they got for us, right?
Yeah.
Wow, I know, right? Airplane Part 2. So let's get into this, right?
Yeah.
Wow, here it is, Airplane Part 2.
Japanese version.
I know, right? Japanese version. Are they going to sing in Japanese?
I love how it started.
The outfits. It really looks cool, though.
You never disappointed.
Look at them. Hey! Hey! You remember the song? Hey! Hey! Wow. The boys. Damn. This video is crazy.
Wow, the colors.
Their outfits. It's like clothes something, a band. Hey, I don't know.
I love that part. It's such a rain.
It's crazy. Look how they wait. Oh, their hair. JK.
Wow.
Wow.
V, as always.
Yo, that outro.
Like a scientist with the glasses.
Yo.
Oh,
Wow.
amazing,
This,
guys.
I really love this video in a way. Like
It
this
is really
video,
amazing.
like it has everything in it. Like I really love. I mean the set first of all
Exactly,
of
yeah.
this
It's
video.
like somebody told them, can you please help me look at my bar for a second?
For real.
And they turned it into
Like,
music.
yo,
Yeah.
like I really love the colors also in it. Like
Exactly,
they
very
really,
bright colors.
they really killed it in here.
exactly.
Like you guys, you should hit it up with 1 or 2 words because I might speak even
Speak
whatever
it
you
out.
want also to
Yes.
speak out here.
First of all, I
Wow.
got kind of like Mexican vibe.
I wanted to say the same.
Exactly. Like the colors, first of all, from the colors, the
Yeah.
yellow, we know like most of the
Wow.
Mexican people
Yes,
like
plus
are
the
really-
beats,
Wow.
you know, like their
Yes.
outfits.
The houses,
too.
yeah, wow.
But the way they, one thing I'm really learning about them, I love how they incorporate like some of the dance moves that are worldwide.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
so most of the
real.
dance,
That's
we can
true.
really relate to them that
That's
way.
really
Exactly.
crazy
Wow,
out
that
here.
It's really creativity.
I really love that. Are you
Yes,
done?
I am
I
done.
can't wait to speak this up. Yo,
Okay.
okay.
Well, for me, I just love the voices. For instance, Jimmy.
Jimin,
He
yeah.
was sounding, I mean, I don't know, like an angel.
angel.
I don't know, like,
Oh,
it was
yeah.
amazing. Yeah,
Wow.
so on this song, he's the one who
Caught
yeah,
you up.
Yes.
Mrs. Cutting up. Like every
She must quote
I know,
somebody who
yeah,
quote her
She
up.
must quote somebody
Exactly,
who quotes
so-
her up.
Yes.
Wow, that's really kind.
Also, the video,
Wow.
the cinematography was super,
Very
super
amazing,
perfect.
yeah.
Wow, I really
Yeah.
love that. Are you done?
I think I'm done.
Okay, let me speak about my boys. First of all, I really love this chorus, like oh mariachi, oh mariachi, na 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 na. Oh,
It was
like
really
yo,
good.
it was really good out here, and
Yes.
it's one among my favorite songs. Actually, I love
Wow.
this. I mean, Airplane Part 2.
Yes.
Like it's really one of a kind, and actually, I really appreciated their vocals. Really have these good vocals, and actually their dance practices. And in this song, what really caught me up is how they really occupied and used only one location for the whole song.
But
Yeah.
maximized it in a
I
way.
know, right? But you don't get
Yeah.
tired. You don't notice in a way. They just switch
Yes,
angles. Like,
Yes.
turned it into a music video.
that was
plays.
really one of a kind.
Yeah.
And
Also,
at
when,
last,
I wanted to
okay,
say, like,
come on.
when the video started, I was just asking myself, like, where is Sugar? I
Sugar.
did not
Oh,
see, yes,
yeah,
on the
yeah,
first scene,
for
I did
real,
not see
yeah,
him. So I was
yeah,
just
for
like,
real.
okay, maybe on this song, maybe he is not there, but then suddenly he popped out from nowhere. As
Wow,
always.
that was really
Yes,
that was really a good observation.
Yeah.
And I was saying about the location and how they really occupied that. It was really
Very
crazy
creative.
out there,
Yeah.
very
Yes.
creative, and credits to that. And
Yes.
actually, we should just see, I mean, their comeback live performance out
Yes,
there.
of the song.
I know, right? And we really
Exactly,
see
yeah.
like what really went down out there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's have it. Are you guys ready for
I
it?
am so ready.
So let me just take a look at it. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, where
It's
is
right
it?
there.
Where? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, here it
That's
is.
the one.
Wow.
Wow.
You can hear the audio.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, BTS.
Yeah. Chanting their names.
Yo.
These boys.
Yo.
They're really giving. I love that too. Look at them.
That part.
Yo, it's killing me out here. The expression.
The audience.
I know,
Oh my
right?
God.
Yo, should we just get inside the TV out there and we just applaud them that
Oh
much?
my goodness.
Wow, I really love this performance.
It
Actually,
was really epic.
that was really one of a kind.
Yeah.
Yo, so guys, what do you have to say about this Airplane Part 2? I mean, the Japanese version. We really watched a video, and also, I mean, the live comeback. I mean, performance.
Oh my God.
Wow,
It was
so-
really amazing.
Wow, okay.
The outfits, like the way they're dancing with the mic.
Yeah,
I-
that was really iconic
Yes,
in a
sometimes I thought
way.
it
Yeah.
would fall off, but sometimes
Yo,
pick it
it
up.
cannot follow.
Exactly.
You remember the day when we watched, I mean, this
The dance
dance
practice.
practice,
Exactly.
and that thing you were really wondering how they could just do that.
Exactly.
Actually crazy
Oh my
out
God,
here.
it was really good.
Wow,
I love
I really
seeing
love
it. I
that.
love the creativity too.
Yeah.
The background was amazing.
Yeah.
Yo, speaking
Yes.
about the background, I really love how they were really shifting from one background to another.
Exactly,
The same
yeah.
stage, but the way they were
Different
switching,
backgrounds.
like they don't distort the way they're dancing, but in a
yeah.
way very creative. They
Yes.
just switch in a way, then the background also
Also
switches
changes,
itself.
Exactly.
Yo, that's really one of
It
a
was
kind,
really good.
and that's my compliment. Okay,
Wow. I just want to say, what a performance.
Oh my goodness.
You
It
feel
was
like
really
if they, I mean,
amazing.
the
Yeah.
performance was amazing.
I
So
know,
like,
right?
if it wasn't this good, you could, I mean, you could, I don't know, like maybe the crowd couldn't
Be
shout
chanting
out
like
Oh
like
that.
that,
yeah,
like
yeah,
the way
for
they
real.
did.
That shows it was really a vibe
It was
out
really
there.
a vibe.
Yes.
So
Wow.
like we had so much fun. So for me, this one was super entertaining. And again, on this one, I don't know, guys, on the Japanese version, I
Yeah.
said
Jimin.
Jimin was
Jimin,
the one.
oh
who was-
Jimin was the
But on
one.
this one, you can imagine V.
V.
I get it. Like I don't know what is wrong with me. but I
Wow.
don't know.
Okay,
Is
like.
it because you guys share names?
Oh,
I
V
kind
also
of
she
feel
got
like-
V out here. We have
Exactly.
got V
Whenever you
out
see
here.
him, you
Also, I love
mention
his
him.
voice so much.
It
Like
was
Wow,
really
that was
amazing.
really one
so
of a kind.
soothing. Yes,
Wow,
really
that's,
amazing.
That's
I
a very
really
good
love that.
one.
Also,
Yeah.
that's a really good one.
Yes.
And yo, as I said, as we said, this was really one of a kind. We really
Yes.
love this video, and we appreciate for this video.
Yeah.
And we believe also you guys did love and enjoy this video as the way we did.
Yeah.
And if you did love and enjoy this video, please don't forget to like
Subscribe.
Comment.
and share this beautiful content to your friends and your family. And also don't forget to check out on our YouTube channel every day, because we do post our videos.
every single day.
Yeah, and with having said so, we say that I'll be back with more
Videos.